In this module, we are going to talk about analyzing the internal dynamics of underdeveloped countries. Majority of the underdeveloped countries are in sub-Saharan Africa and others are in Southeast Asia. Number of small island states in the Pacific. Features of underdeveloped countries: shaky stability of economy, low incomes, malnutrition, poor health services, low literacy rate. They are vulnerable to natural disasters, extensive political corruption due to lack of transparency and accountability, poor law and order, violation of human rights regarding child labor, lack of social stability, authoritarian form of government in some underdeveloped countries. Usually, it is observed that countries in periphery are dictated by the countries who are in core, and they are controlling these countries by keeping a ruling elite who is usually corrupt and incapable. That those countries who are living in core are in the West, they could use those corrupt ruling elite for their purposes. So, owing to that reason, the countries in the developing world remain under such features or characteristics or of underdevelopment. In some cases, incidences of poverty have been falling, but the actual poverty rate is constantly increasing in the underdeveloped countries. Underdeveloped countries are highly dependent on foreign aid. Many of these countries are suffering from debt crisis and there are no hopes of debt being repaid. The underdeveloped countries are exploited by the richest and powerful nations. Cheap labor is available to avoid taxes, no regulations for child labor, easy access to raw materials, social, political, and economic dominance of the West that I mentioned earlier. Usually, they keep those countries under their influence through different kinds of tactics, sometimes having a corrupt political elite in that country or controlling few institutions, important institutions of that country to make an impact whenever they need it.